Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an invoice in Stripe? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an invoice in Stripe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers require an invoice to be paid, and with Stripe, you can create one right from the home screen. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, there's a few different ways that you can create an invoice. The first and easiest way is you're going to click on this plus icon here on the top right. It's in purple. Once you do that, you're going to click on invoice. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to fill out the invoice here on the left. So first, you're going to go ahead and add a customer. Once you've added a customer, make sure you've chosen the correct currency. After that, you want to go ahead and choose one of your products. Okay, once you've added the product, click on save here on the bottom right. As you fill out this left side, you can see it automatically populates here on the right. And then you can go ahead, add more items. You can add shipping. You can select a coupon if you want. All right. Next, you're going to scroll down a little bit further. Okay, now you get to choose, do you want to request payment or do you want to auto charge a customer if they have a payment method on file? For me, I'm going to go ahead and request payment. Next, you want to go ahead and choose when the payment is going to due for this invoice. So I'm going to leave it at due in 30 days. And then I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. Okay, now you get to choose how you want the customer to receive their invoice so they can receive it via email. Also, this is really important. On the invoice over here to the right, you can see pay online. So if you leave that purple check mark right here, your customers are going to be able to receive the invoice and they can click and pay right through your Stripe account, which is convenient. And lastly, you can go ahead and make these customizations down here. So you can add a memo, a tax ID if needed, and then a PDF size. So once you fill that out and you're ready to go ahead and send your invoice, go ahead and click on send invoice. Also, let me go ahead and close this out and show you the other way we can get to this invoice. Okay, so here I am back on the home screen of my Stripe. And to send an invoice, you can also click here on customers here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of all your customers. And then off to the right, once you've chosen the customer you want to invoice, click on these three dots next to their name. And then click on create invoice. Okay, quick second later, you can see it brings you back here to the invoice creation page inside of your Stripe. Either way, it's going to bring you here to the same place. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an invoice in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.